Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you something really powerful. We're going to create a complete website using AI without any coding knowledge. And more importantly, I'll show you how to add your own images into that website. Because honestly, creating a website using AI is easy now. Anyone can do that. But the real problem starts when you want to add your personal photos or portfolio images. Most people get stuck there because AI cannot automatically access files from your computer. So today, I'm going to show you the exact method to fix that problem, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working website with your own images and a live link that you can share with anyone, completely free. So, let's start.
First, we are going to use Google AI Studio. Open Google AI Studio and go inside the Build option. Now the AI needs instructions about what kind of website you want, and this is called a prompt. You can write the prompt yourself, but if you don't know how to structure it properly, the easiest method is to use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, "I want an architecture portfolio website with a dark theme and lots of animations. Give me a detailed prompt." ChatGPT will generate a professional prompt for you. Simply copy that prompt and come back to Google AI Studio. Paste the prompt there and click Generate. Now the AI will start building your website automatically. Within a few seconds, you'll see your website ready with multiple sections, layouts, and design elements already created. You can scroll through and see different topics, headings, and design blocks generated by AI. Now comes the most important part of this video, adding your own images. To do this, open Google Drive. Upload whichever image you want to use on your website. After uploading, right-click the image and click Share. This step is very important. Change the access setting to anyone with the link. If the file stays private, the AI cannot display the image on your website. Now, copy the share link. Go back to Google AI Studio and give a clear instruction to the AI. For example, you can type, "Add this image into the vertical silence section. Here is the drive link. Make sure the image is visible on the website." Submit the instruction. The AI will regenerate that part of the website and try to place your image. Sometimes you may notice that the image area appears blank. Don't worry, this happens often. Just tell the AI again, the image is not visible. Fix the error and make sure it displays properly. The AI will correct the issue and regenerate the section. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see your image placed correctly in the website, exactly where you wanted it. You can repeat this same method for every image. Just upload to Google Drive, make it public, share the link, and instruct the AI where to place it. No coding, no manual editing, no complicated process, just clear instructions. Now, take a moment and go through the full website. You'll notice hover effects, color transitions, animated sections, and interactive elements already added by AI. When you move your cursor, colors change automatically and sections respond dynamically. And the best part is, all of this is created without writing a single line of code. Next step is publishing the website so others can actually see it online. For this, we'll use Netlify, which provides free website hosting. Before that, go back to Google AI Studio and download the website files. Once the files are downloaded, open Netlify. Inside Netlify, simply drag and drop the downloaded folder into the upload area. That's it. Netlify automatically uploads and publishes your website and generates a live link instantly. Now your website is already online. If you want to make the link look more professional, go into Display Settings inside Netlify and change the site name. For example, you can rename it as Architecture Portfolio and save it. Now you have a clean, shareable website link ready. You can send it to clients, friends, or include it in your portfolio or resume. And just like that, you created a complete website using AI without coding, added your own images, and published it online for free. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who wants to build a portfolio website, and subscribe for more AI and design tutorials. In the next video, I'll show you how to improve animations and make your AI website look even more professional. See you in the next video.